Hello everyone, this is Alex Smith and welcome to Knowledge the Ambition. So today in this particular session, we will discuss about Cupenius sally, which is also called the tiger wandering spider or also the banana spider. Recently it was in news, so here we will discuss few important points about the tiger wandering spider. So before moving further, just make sure you have subscribed the channel and press the bell icon for the regular updates. Here you can see the news article. What is this article about? The magical city of spider. This article cautions, do spiders have sticky feet? So here we will discuss this caution according to this article. Do spiders have sticky feet? Spiders do not have sticky or adhesive pads like frogs and lizards. Instead, they have toe pads covered in tiny branched hairs called setae. So these tiny branched hairs called setae. Here you can see the picture of a setae, the hair-like structure on a living organism. This is a picture. Here you can see the hair-like structure on a living organism. These are called setae. And these hair are also found in geckos and certain beetles. Each hair is just 1/100 of 1 millimeter thick. And now what is this geckos and certain beetles? Here you can see the picture of a gecko. Geckos are small lizards belonging to the infraorder Geckota, found in warm climate throughout the world. They range from 1.6 to 60 centimeter. And here you can see the beetles. Beetles are the group of insects that form the order Coleoptera in the superorder Endopterygota. Now, what is this article saying? The feet of wandering spider, which is Cupenius sally, is made up of about 2,400 setae, and a study published last month, The Frontiers in Mechanical Engineering, found that each hair showed unique adhesive properties. So here, this is Cupenius sally. Now, this article says about the research team from the Germany studied how each hair sticks to rough and smooth surfaces, including the sandpapers, glass, epoxy resins. They also looked at how the hair stuck at different contact angles. Group leaders Clemens Kebar of the University of Cal said in a release that the adhesion force largely differed between the individual hairs. For example, one hair adhered best at a low angle with the substrate, while the other one performed best close to perpendicular alignment. The team studied the hair under high-tech microscopes to understand their structure. They found that each hair was different and had a previously unrecognized structured arrangement. Now here you can see the setae. In biology, the setae from the Latin word bristles. It originated from the Latin word bristles are any of a number of different bristles or hair-like structures on a living organisms. Now come to the topic, what is Cupenius sally? Cupenius sally, which is commonly called the tiger wandering spider, is a large spider belonging to a group of wandering spiders found in Central America. Also one of many diverse types that mistakenly get called banana spiders. So these banana spiders and tiger wandering spiders and the Cupenius sally are the same. Although this species is specifically from eastern Mexico, Guatemala, Belize and the Honduras. The species was accidentally introduced into Germany in the early 20th century from the banana plantations in the Central America. In the mid-1950s, it was realized that the spider is an ideal model for the biological research because of its large size, inactive behavior, and ease of breeding in the laboratories. Furthermore, the spider is now known to produce a complex neurotoxic venom such as the cupinins and CSTX, of which a peptide called CSTX1 is highly potent for the paralyzing its prey.